Hello and welcome to Shulini TV. I'm Aishani bringing you the latest stories and highlights from around the campus. But first, let us take a look at the headlines. Shulini University receives official recognition from Iraq. Milestone strengthens university's global academic presence. Team Shulini showcases 5 innovations at Technology Transfer Chapter 3. Industry leaders explore commercialization opportunities. Shulini Research wins Best Oral Presentation at National Conference. Student-faculty collaboration earns national recognition. Faculty Development Program concludes successfully at Shulini University. 4-day initiative focuses on teaching, wellness and professional growth. Shulini University has achieved another significant international milestone by receiving official recognition from the Iraqi Ministry of Higher Education and Scientific Research. The recognition further strengthens the university's growing global presence and opens new opportunities for international academic collaboration.
With its inclusion on the Iraqi Ministry's official university guide portal, Shulini University academic degrees are now formally recognized and accepted in Iraq. This important development makes it easier for Iraqi students to pursue internationally recognized higher education at Shulini, while reinforcing the university's reputation as a preferred destination for quality education among international learners. The recognition was secured through the dedicated efforts of the Office of International Affairs under the leadership of Executive Director Jitendra Arora and AGM Kinnosh Kandewal, along with the entire OIA team. Congratulating the team, Pro-Chancellor Professor Vishal Anand described the achievement as a major step towards Shulini University's vision of becoming a globally connected institution. Executive Director Jitendra Arora said the recognition would strengthen international collaboration, promote student mobility, and create new opportunity for cross-border academic partnerships. This international recognition marks another proud achievement for Shulini University, reflecting its commitment to providing globally recognized education while expanding academic collaboration across the world. With camera person Harsh Vanshika, Shulini TV Solan.
Continuing its innovation journey, Team Shulini successfully showcased 5 promising pharmaceutical and health tech technologies during Technology Transfer Chapter 3, held at the Camellias Club in Gurugram. The event brought together industry leaders, researchers, and policymakers to explore technology commercialization.
The program witnessed the presence of distinguished guests, including Dr. Raj Nehru, officer on special duty to the Honorable Chief Minister of Haryana, senior representatives from the pharmaceutical industry, research and development heads, and entrepreneurs. During the event, Team Shulini presented 5 innovative technologies developed by university researchers. The innovations received an encouraging response, with 2 technologies generating immediate interest from industry partners for future collaboration and commercialization. The event marked Shulini University's 3rd successful technology transfer engagement this month, following earlier editions in Delhi and Faridabad. The initiative reflects the university's continued efforts to transform cutting-edge research into industry-ready products and real-world solutions. University leadership appreciated the efforts of the research teams and CIPRO members, reaffirming Shulini's commitment to strengthening academia-industry partnership and accelerating innovation-driven growth.
By connecting researchers with industry leaders, Shulini University continues to bridge the gap between innovation and commercialization, ensuring that scientific discoveries create meaningful impact for society. With camera person Surbi Suhani, Shulini TV, Solan.
Shulini University continues to make its mark on the national research stage. A student-faculty research project from the School of Bioengineering and Food Technology has received top honors at a prestigious national conference, bringing another proud achievement to the university.
Dr. Sonakshi Gautam, faculty member at the School of Bioengineering and Food Technology, represented Shulini University at the national conference
on frontiers in agroforestry and horticulture sciences, organized by the ICAR's Center Agroforestry Research Institute, Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. During the conference, she represented the research titled From Underutilized Fruit to Value-Added Food, Post-Harvest Processing of Nepal Hogue Plum. A student carried out by Adarsh Gupta, a BSc Food Technology 8th semester student. The research received widespread appreciation from students, academicians, and delegates from its innovation approach towards value addition and sustainable food processing. The presentation was honored with the Best Oral Presentation Award under the theme Energy Efficient Mechanization and Digital Transformation in Post-Harvest and Food Supply Systems. The achievement highlights Shulin University's growing contribution to impactful research and reflects its commitment to encouraging innovation among faculty and students alike. This national recognition once again showcases Shulin University excellence in research and innovation, inspiring students and faculty members to continue contributing meaningful solutions to the scientific community. With camera person Ankita, Tanisha, Shulin University, Solan.
Shulin University recently concluded its 4-day faculty development program titled Faculty 360 Degree, Teaching with Heart, Mind and Purpose. The program brought together faculty members for a series of enriching sessions aimed at strengthening teaching practices, leadership skills and personal well-being.
The faculty development program featured expert-led sessions on health, mental wellness, classroom engagement and spiritual well-being and professional effectiveness. Renowned speakers from healthcare, education and leadership shared valuable insight on creating healthier lifestyles, building meaningful relationships with students and adopting innovative teaching strategies suited to the changing needs of higher education. Faculty members also participated in sessions on mentoring framework, workspace ethics, POSH awareness and professional development, while interacting activities encouraged collaboration and the exchange of best practices. The program concluded with the Faculty 360-degree challenge and closing ceremony, leaving participants with fresh perspective on student engagement, holistic education and continuous professional growth. The initiative reaffirmed Shulin University's commitment to empowering its educators so that they can continue delivering world-class learning experiences.
By investing in the continuous growth of its faculty, Shulin University is strengthening the quality of teaching and academic excellence, ensuring that both educators and students continue to grow together. With camera person Garv, this is Dovesh, Shulni TV, Solan.
That's all from Shulin University for today. Stay tuned for more updates and inspiring stories from around the campus. I'm Aishani. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.